Yes, student. Now the next content, which is again very important, okay, to solve the numerical questions, okay, relating to find the mass, velocity of moving electron, etc., and many of the questions of structure of atom, where we are using very big numbers and even very small numbers. So here, if we use scientific notation, then the using and the solution of these numbers becomes convenient. So very first, what is scientific notation? It is the convenient form of expressing very big or very small numbers, using decimal and exponent form, okay, which helps, okay, in saving time and space. Also, the solution becomes convenient. This is called what? Scientific notation. As I told you that it is the short form of expressing a very big number. Like example, speed of light. What is the speed of light? You all know. This is what? 3 lakh kilometer per second. 3 lakh meter per second. Isn't it? Sorry, 3 lakh kilometer per second. Now, how to express this number? Writing these numbers in this form took time, and also it occupies more space, and even if big number is there, then there is chances of mistake. So besides of expressing it in this form, if we express it in the form of 3.0, okay, and then exponent by taking the power of 10 to power, say 1 2 3 4 5, say 5 kilometer per second. So here what? It becomes convenient, it saves time, and also what? Space. Or we can write it in the form of 3.0 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. So again, it saves time and space. Okay. Mass of one electron. Okay. It is very less. What is it? 9.1 into 10 to power minus 130 kilogram, minus 31 kilogram. So now what? If we express it in this form, then it becomes convenient. Otherwise, you start writing the 0 up to what? 31 place, decimal, after decimal 31 place. So it will took large time. Okay, and it will cover or occupy more spaces. Therefore, we are using what? Scientific notation. Rules to express scientific notations. To express scientific notations. That is, how do we change the decimal point and the exponent? So, first rule, okay, if decimal point is shifted right side, if decimal point shifted right side, then okay, power of 10 increases by that place, example, say 3 lakh, here it is given 3 lakh, and there is what, 0. So if we have to express it, and this decimal point is shifted which side, sorry, left side. First I am showing with example, this is what, left side, then power of 10 increases by that place. So if it is shifted left side, like here left side, so how many place it is shifted? Now it becomes 3.0. okay, and how many place it is shifted? 1 2 3 4 5. So simply write 10 and the power become what, 5. okay, this is one of the way. Like one more example, 80,000, 8 lakh, it can be written as what? Now suppose there is decimal place, and if I am shifting it here, then it will become what, 8.0 into 10 to power, now how many place? 1 2 3 4 5. So here what, 5. If I shift this decimal place to that decimal point to that place, then the number will become what? Now I have to write 800.0, and now 1 2 3. That means now it will become 10 to power 3. Okay, and in this way we can express the big number in very short form by using decimal as a decimal and exponent. Next one, if decimal point is shifted, now what, right side, okay, then power of 10 decreases or written with what, minus sign or negative sign, okay. Example, suppose the number is 50,000.00, this is the number, and now we have to shift it, okay, right side, that is here is the decimal, and I am going to shift it up to this place, then it will become what, 5, okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and now it is shifted 2 place, so write 2 decimal more, and now place what, decimal point, then write 0, and that will become 10 to power 2 places shifted, therefore now it has become 2, but with what, negative sign, minus sign, isn't it, minus sign, so 10 to power minus 2. okay, suppose the number is 0.000234, and if I have to express using scientific notation, so now I am expressing it in precise form like here. So how many places it is shifted? 4 places. So first I have to write 2.34 into 10 to power, how many places? 1 2 3 4 places. So that is become 10 to power minus 4, isn't it? Suppose I have to write 0.001, okay, then Let's shift it from here to here. Then it will become what? 1.0 into 10 to power. How many places? 4 places. So right here what? 4 and with what? Minus sign. So 10 to power minus 4. In this way, we can express the numbers. Now what is the application? Okay. Application of scientific notation. Application of scientific notations. Okay. And rules. We can also check what? Rules. Like in calculations. In calculations. So first, if I am getting the calculation, addition, or in what? Subtraction. Addition or what? Subtraction. I am giving you one of the example. Okay. Question. Okay. What? 2.0 into 10 to power 3 plus 3.25 into 10 to power 2. Can you solve the question? Can you solve it? So student, here it becomes difficult to solve because what? The power of 10 are what? Different in the given two numbers. We cannot deal with such given powers. What we have to do? Very first, we have to similarize the power of 10 in the two numbers of the given question. Okay, and then we have to add. How it is? We can change 3 to 2 or 2 to 3. Anything. That is, these two must be similarized. Suppose I am making it 10 to power 2. 10 to power 2. That means what? I have to decrease power. I have to decrease its power. So how to decrease its power? So it can be decreased by shifting the decimal place right side. By shifting the decimal place what? Right side. That means what? That means now the 2.0 will be written as 20.0. And now there is no problem. This is what? 10 to power 2 already given there. Now write the value. What is this? 3.25. Now simply add the number. What? 5, 2, 3, 2 into 10 to power. Now in addition and subtraction, if the powers in the given number of the questions are same, then are not added or not subtracted, but it remains the same. That means the 10 to power there will be no change. 10 to power 2, 10 to power 2 will become what? 10 to power 2 simply. So in this way we can solve the question. Like here we can solve one more question. 2, 3, 5 into 10 to power minus 3. Okay, plus 1.35 into 10 to power minus, let's take it what? 5. Now what to do? You to write it 235.0. Again here the powers are dissimilar. Okay, in one place 10 to power minus 3 and another place 10 to power minus 5. But we know that in the addition or subtraction the powers remains same if in the given numbers the powers are same. So what to do? We have to change these power. Either we can check minus 3 to minus 5 or minus 5 to minus 3. So if I am changing what? These 10 to power minus 5 and equalizing it like 10 to power minus 3, then what to do? That will become 10 to power minus 3. That is what? Here I have to again decrease power. So to decrease power, what to do? Okay, that is 10 to power minus 5 to 10 to power minus 3. Okay, so I have to shift this decimal place what? Right side. So now in right side, this decimal is to be shifted by 2 place, because minus 5 and minus 3 differences of 2 place. So the number will become what? 0.0135 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this number will remain same, what? 235 point what? 0 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now add the number, the power will remain same, that is 10 to the power minus 3, there will be no change. And now simply add the two numbers, this become 5, 3, this is 1, this is what? 0.235. So this will be the solution. So in this way we have to solve the question. Are you getting? So this is about what? Application of scientific notation, okay, in addition or subtraction. So this is addition or subtraction question. Even we can use it in subtraction form. Subtraction. Okay. Let the question is 7.0 into 10 to power 4. Okay. Minus 2.3 into 10 to power 2. Okay. Whatever the number is given there. Now simply I have to solve the question. So what I have to do? I have to again similarize what power? So this could be written as 7.0 into 10 to power 4. But what about here? If I have to change this 10 to power 2 to 10 to power 4, that means what? 2 decimal place, okay, is to be shifted. So where to shift it? If the power is increases, then the decimal shifted to which side? Left side. Means this decimal is to be shifted which side? Left side. So in left side we can shift it here. So now the number become what? 0.023 into 10 to power 4. Now simply we have to subtract it. So the power will remain same, 10 to power 4 into, now we have to do subtraction. So what? You can write here 0, 0, 0 minus 3, this is 7, 9 minus 2, this is again 7, then there is 9 and 0, this is what? 9 point that one. So this will be the answer, isn't it? So there is what? A great importance of scientific notation. Okay. Yes, student, next one, calculation involving multiplication. So first one, in the case of multiplication, the powers present in the given numbers are what? Added, while the first factor, okay, are simply what? Multiplied. Okay, let's take an example. Example 2.5 multiplied by 3.5. 2.5 into 10 to power minus 2, okay, or say plus 2 multiplied by, this is one of the number, multiplied by 2.7 into 10 to power 4. Okay, now to solve the question, what we have to do? We have to what? Simply multiply the first factor. Which one is the first factor? This one is the first factor. So right here 2.5 into 10 to power 2 multiplied by 2.7 into 10 to power 4. So what to do? Multiply these numbers simply. 7 5 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14, and 3 17, 2 5 ja 15, and 2 2 ja 4 and 1 5. This become what? 5. This is 2. 2 and 5 what? 7. 2 decimal place. So 7.25 into 10 to power, what I told? these powers are simply what? Added. So 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 6. This is the solution. Okay, we can take some more examples, like example number 2. 3 to 5 into 10 to power minus 2. Okay, multiplied by, tell me any number, say 17 into 10 to power 8. Okay, now how to solve the question? So this is the first factor which is to be multiplied. Okay, so 17 5 ja 85. So this is 5, 17 2 ja 34 and 8 42. So this is 2. Remaining what? 4. 17 3 ja 51. So this is what? 55 into 10 to power. Now the powers are added. Here the power is given with minus sign and the power is given with plus sign. So 8 minus 2, 8 plus minus 2 is equal to 6. So this will be our answer. So 5 to 5 into 10 to power 6. This is our answer. Student, such concept are used in the solving the question of the chapter structure of atom. There are lot of questions regarding it. Like student, you know one of the very simple formula. Okay, in 9th class you have already studied. V is equal to C by lambda, or you can say C is equal to frequency by lambda. Isn't it? So you know that if you have to find C, or you have to find lambda, or you have to find what? Frequency. So these are given with very, this is given with very big number, this is given with very small number. Okay, so in this time we can use this scientific notation. And now the next one is in division. In division, first factor is divided while exponent, or what we are saying power, are subtracted. Now let's see a simple question. What? Find frequency of radiation with wavelength 400 into 10 to power minus 9 meter. Now look at here. What? Very small number is given there, and its frequency we have to find. Okay, so what is the formula? This is what? V is equal to C by lambda. I told you earlier the value of C is constant, that is 3.0 into 10 to power 8, and meter watt per second, divided by what? 400 into 10 to power minus 9, and with what? Meter. Okay, so now can you solve the question? Yes, simply what we have to do? We have to subtract the power. So what? The question will become 3 upon 400. Okay, multiplied by now 10 to power, this is what? 8. Okay, minus what? Because we have to subtract, so that will become 10 to power minus 9 in this way. Okay, that is, here is 10 to power minus 9, so this value is to be what? Subtracted. But here minus and minus sign will become plus, that means the answer will be 3 upon 400. You have to solve it into 10 to power minus minus plus, so 8 and 9 17, so that will become what? 17. So in this way you can solve the question. Okay, student, there are a lot of questions regarding it. Like in the structure of atom, we will introduce what? Lambda is equal to H upon M into C. Now the value of H is what? 6.626 into 10 to power minus 34 divided by, now mass of electron is given by 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 into velocity of light, that is speed of light, is 3.0 into 10 to power what? 8 meter per second. Now to solve such a question, what we have to do? First we have to solve the second factor. What? This one. If you solve it nicely, this is what? 10 to power 8. If you solve it nicely, then we can get the answer very quickly. So what will become? Simply, it will become 10 to power. Now minus 31 and 8, it is to be multiplied. But here the number is, power is given with minus sign, and here power is given with plus sign. So it is to be added. So minus 31 plus 8 is equal to what? 23. So that will become what? 10 to power 23. 23. Okay. And the upper side, the power is what? 10 to power minus 34. So what? Here 10 to power minus 34 and 10 to power minus 23. So this is to be 10 to power minus 34 minus now 10 to power minus 23. So again minus minus plus. So it will written as 10 to power 431 and 31 with what? Negative sign. So in this way we can get the answer, and the rest of the thing can solve very easily by placing 6.626 divided by 9.1 into what? 3. This will be your answer. So in this way you can solve the question. So you have to do lot of practice for work on scientific notation.